Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off LED light on your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. And basically we have a few options how to turn on or turn off it. We can use the controls on your speaker or we can use an application. And let's get started with using application. Open Music Center application and then scroll down and go to the settings. Now go to illumination, and right here we have light mode, so we need to tap on it. To turn off the LED light, you need to tap at the light off, and to turn on, click on some of this preset and then click done. Also, as I said previous, we can use controls, and at the back side, right here, we have a light button, and you just press on it one time, and as you can see in the application, my light is turned off, and if you press again, you will turn on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!